Hello my friends, my name is Ellen. Welcome to my Southern Kitchen and the 373rd episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today I'm going to share with all of you an old classic recipe in the South. We're going to make chocolate gravy. And my friends, it is the bomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, full of chocolate flavor, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make. A great breakfast and brunch treat. You pour this gravy on top of biscuits, and once you bite into it, you'll be in heaven. Y'all gonna love it, love it, love it. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my breakfast recipes playlist and my previous video, potato chip cookies. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your cocoa powder and get your biscuits baking sugar, because we're about to make some chocolate gravy magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large pot, we're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. We're going to give all these dry ingredients together until they're well incorporated. Alright, so now I'm going to cut the fire on to medium. And we're going to add in 2 cups of evaporated milk. Oh yes. And give that a quick whisk. And we're going to let this cook for about 7 to 10 minutes until it's thickened. Alright my friends, this is what the chocolate gravy looked like. Nice and thick. Ooh yeah. Alright, that looks great. So now it's time to add in our last 2 ingredients. 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1.5 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. And stir this in until the butter's melted. And my friends, our chocolate gravy is done. See how simple and easy it was? And it smells amazing up in this kitchen. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish stirring my chocolate gravy, and then I'll put it in my gravy boat, and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, there you have it. Southern chocolate gravy. Doesn't that look yummy and beautiful? Alright, now I'm about to pour it on my biscuit. Alright, here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo, look at all that chocolate. Alright, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Decadent, creamy, ain't nothing like biscuits and chocolate gravy. This is spectacular, my friends. Warms up the soul. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Chocolate gravy-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And also hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay safe.